Hello. What's up, everybody? I did a little unboxing today. Thought I'd do this for you guys, and here it is. We got the RGB LED gaming keyboard here. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Yeah, the camera can't see it. Okay. Had to make sure. Alright, let's go. Ooh. Now, of course, when it turns on, it'll be all lit up. Oh, I feel the difference in the keys already. I'll let the box fall. Okay. Here's the case for the webcam. In case you are interested. Let's untie this bad boy. If it's possible. Alright. Got it. I will plug it in later. We'll unbox the GameCube controller adapter. We have the GameCube already. Show that off. This is a pretty nice box. Trash box. Hell yeah. And it has 4. I'm plugged into the PC, Wii U, and Switch, so I mean, shit. Hell yeah. Alright. And here's the keyboard. Looking pretty nice. And now I have this bad boy hooked up. If you enjoyed this lame ass unboxing, make sure to subscribe. The keyboard feels really smooth, and it literally, like, you cannot hear when you click, and I love it. So yeah, and it's really nice. The GameCube controller, I've been playing with it. It is buttery smooth. So yeah, I can't wait to come out with the next video for the tourney for Smash. Sonar and I are going to another one. We're probably getting a couple other buddies alongside us as well, hopefully. But yeah, make sure to look out for that. I'm gonna be documenting like my entire like time developing and like growing in this game, cause I'm literally like studying this game and shit like that. But yeah, look out for that video next. That'll be a month-long project, which won't come out until after the tourney. But yeah, that's a future video. I'm gonna be doing more videos here like soon, of course. But yeah, just wanted to do this unboxing, and yeah, you guys have a good one.